The QX56 has the front fascia that only Infiniti could love. The large grille, rectangular headlamps that appear to be too narrow, and a bulging hood. Once you get past the looks though, the QX56 is impressive. The QX56 moves effortlessly down the highway, powered by a 315 horsepower V8 mated to a 5-speed automatic transmission. The QX is a massive vehicle that dwarfs most SUVs. But despite its size, the QX has almost a car-like ride due to its superb 4-wheel independent suspension. Even at 5,600 pounds, the QX56 is very agile, stable on exit ramps, curves, and winding urban streets. Accessing the small rear storage compartment of the QX is made easier by an enormous powered rear hatch. Just push a button on the dash. Inside, the Infiniti trademark oval-shaped analog clock draws your eye to the well-appointed dash similar to the Infiniti cars. The captain's chairs easily carry 4 adults quite comfortably. But your head just may hit the roof if you're sitting in the third row seat. How could Infiniti do that? Have such low headroom? Rear-end parking is assisted by a rear camera facing that transmits a wide-angle view to the navigation system screen. This is an optional feature. Even though the luxury SUV segment is slipping in sales, Infiniti's QX56 should be on your shopping list if size does matter.